What is going on, guys? Big homie coming back to you real quick, and I just feel excellent today. Major shout out to my wife who got me up early for a workout. She was meeting up with a good friend of hers, a fitness person. We just love to meet positive energy, positive people, and man, my wife is amazing, and she deserves to make those connections and those beautiful friendships. She's just a special person. So thanks, babe, for getting me up this morning. I really was dragging, but I'm so grateful that I did it because it's done. The workout is done. But anyway, happy belated Father's Day to all the fathers out there and the mothers who hold it down. Because I tell my mom Happy Mother's Day, I mean Happy Father's Day every year because she held it down. She was my mom and dad. So in some of those cases and circumstances, single parents, whether it be mom or dad, they have to play both roles, unfortunately. And but my mom did a great job. So happy Father's Day, mom. Anyway, I had an amazing Father's Day. Man, it was just absolutely phenomenal. And I just wanted to share with you guys one of my gifts that I got. I haven't been able to try yet. So what I have here is the Pure Bass Zero Noise. These are the JBLs, actually the JBL 130 NC uh, wireless headphones, guys. So let me see. I'm just using uh, my DPEC cam right here. Um, it's basically a webcam, but as you can see, it has a nice wide angle, and I like to record with it sometimes. I record with anything, guys. But anyway, these bad boys. Let's talk about these. They actually have Alexa built in and Google built in. So as you can see, that's pretty dope. That's pretty hot. Um, they let's talk about some more of the quick specs. Nothing too crazy. Um, They have ANC, so active noise cancellation, perfect perfect calls. That's hard to come by on any bud right now. Samsung, if you ask me, are holding it down. The AirPods are trash when it comes to calls. Whatever version you pick them, except for the Maxes, I haven't had them yet. Comfort Fit, again ANC RBA. I don't know what that is. Uh, and Appeals Parafit. I don't know what that is, but port comfortable. So, all right. So, and these guys supposedly 40-hour battery, um, and 10 hours plus 30. So 10 hours with the buds, and the case gives you an additional 30. All right. So, give me a sec, guys. Okay. So yeah. So let's see what's inside. Pretty nice presentation. JBL usually always has a very nice presentation. As you can see, you get a nice little preview of the buds on the back. All right, and yeah, I don't want to bust up, which I already did some floss type stuff, beast mode on the top, which I didn't mean to do. I don't know where my unboxing knife is. And these, yeah, I'm gonna need it. Give me one sec, guys. All right, that's my baby unboxer. Okay, so let's go ahead and day is my. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Today is my Monday. Also, I don't know if you can necessarily say Happy Juneteenth, but I'm grateful uh, for the folks who went through the struggle, so that we wouldn't have to struggle as much. I appreciate you, and God bless. And also, it's nice to have that day off. Let's be for real. Some places actually don't celebrate it, but all right. Let's crack these bad boys open. Everything is lined up real nicely in there. As I stated before, JBL always has a really nice presentation. You got your different size, ear tips. You got a nice bright yellow, bright orange. That's going to be actually USB to USB Type C, so they're Type C. I don't know if they're wireless, but it looks like they put the connector on the back, so I doubt it if these are wireless. But I have a wireless charger right here. Let me try. Nope. So Type C charging only, but that's okay because I got Type C chargers everywhere, and it's right there in the back. Let's see if they come with any juice. It looks like 2 bars, so there's four. No, actually, there's 3 bars on the front, and the case actually has two. So let's take a look at the buds. Usually I can rock with the default, so we'll see how that goes. These are very lightweight. Got your little connectors there. Got a couple microphones, and I don't know if they're touch or not. So, or if I have to grab an app, I'm not sure. But let me pause it, and then I'll give you guys a little sound check. Let me pair them up, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these paired up. Tunes, just like that. Connected. So let's go ahead and curious though to how see it. Oh, right guys. This is on the left side, so I'm gonna assume this goes over here. Okay. Bad fit. Not a bad fit. They're supposed to have cancellation. So app or not. Probably do. Let's just go ahead and get the app while we're at it, guys. So on the App Store, and I'm going to look for that JBL app. Too, I'm enjoying it. Problem. So here's the JBL. Let's see. Say on here. Should get by any chance. Harman. Specify which app. Oh, also Bluetooth 5.0 for all the maniacs out there. So I'm just going to grab the straight up JBL. Won't focus in, but it's just a straight up JBL headphone. Gotta love this cup, by the way. Gotta love it. Up in your next, your next meeting. Sit. And don't get me wrong, some meetings are cool, but yeah, it's a cool, snazzy looking app. Okay, good stuff. Accept. See if okay. Already. I might have to. So the app will find them. All right. So what I'm doing right now, guys, don't want you to think I'm leaving you hanging. What I'm doing is, it's like for the JBL app to connect or find them, you have to, man, that thing's bright. You have to disconnect and repair set the buds back into pairing mode. All right. So place both earbuds in case. Close pairing. Oh, you know what? I'm probably tripping because I'm probably gonna have to delete them. This device should go into. App is still struggling, my people. Okay, okay. All right, so we're gonna try something else. So I can even hear them. So it says when the earbud tap, but don't release the second tap. So it's an Apple thing. Not to. Yeah. Been having some Apple woes lately, guys. I'm telling you. Rather simple. So let's go with the trusty Pixel. Something's. Oh, look at that. Boom. So as soon as you get rid of your Pixel, you're gonna miss it. Bam. We're connected. Setting up my. So once again, the iPhone takes it all live. so we get some specs and all. Additional settings for your headphones. See, this is probably going to take me, yep, takes me right to the store to grab the JBL app. So easy. I've keep all your follower, man. Always going to try to have so on deck. It's just clean and it just like works. These tips feel good. I'm not going to mess with the books and all that crap. So I'm just going to slide this back. Box. Alright. Something to like stand them on. See them. Alright. So we got the JBL app firing up again. 6 on deck, guys. Get started. Accept. Wow, it found them right away. Boom. Okay. Started. Setup situation. Stick with the Google. Tips. Set. Okay. C is on. Talk through. They have a feature called talk through. And see how that sounds. Right now it's A and C. It's set to A and C. Okay. There actually allows me to hear some things that are going on around me. Talk through. So that will be if someone was talking to me, it would increase the volume. So there's a software update available. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Settings in here, guys. Wow, I'm gonna have to cover a lot on these, but can't even do it like so voice aware. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do this update. It's gonna make me out. This is going right now. See, guys, it's like they're very comfortable too. They're extremely comfortable. Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm a bass guy, so I'm trying to hit this, to be completely honest. Shout out to the cup, and I apologize for making it so long, guys. My bad. iPhone over here. Sit it over here. Now, looking at it just kind of pisses me off. Like I can't front. I'm uh liking the iOS 16 update. Uh, it's buggy, expected, but I like betas. I like to test things. So yeah, guys. So I won't hold you up. I'm gonna give these guys a good run. This update, it's got 10 minutes remaining. So test these bad boys real nice and yeah, back to you. But major shout out to my daughter, Tamara. I mean, my children. Period. I mean, they held me down. They held me down this Father's Day, and I really appreciate it. And my wife got gonna be a video on my. She is amazing. So peace, love, and blessings, and I'll catch you in the next one. Definitely check out Tune 130 NC's JBL. Holla at your boy. The squad is up to 800 into the the space to do more for the squad and so anyway, peace, love, and blessings. I'll catch you guys in the next one.